Hello friends, welcome to the Titlezen channel. So friends, today I will talk about KFA2 GeForce RTX 3050 6GB EX graphics card. So friends, this is a somewhat premium take on the recently released entry-level GPU by NVIDIA, and friend, it features a spruced up aluminium pin stack heatsink that uses a flattened copper heat pipe to make broader contact with the GPU and spread the heat better across the pin stack. And friend, the 22.4 cm long card also has a couple of premium touches such as metal black pad and RGB LED lighting. The lightning setup includes physical switch on the tail end of the card with which you turn it, and also feature is idle fan stop, and the card offers a tiny factory overclock of 1485 MHz boost compared to 1475 MHz reference, and it sticks with PCIe slot power. There is no additional power connectors, and brand NVIDIA launched the GeForce RTX 3050 6GB and its new entry-level GPU, and it is based on older Ampere graphics architecture and the 8nm GA107 silicon. It enables 18 out of 20 streaming multiprocessor physically present, which work out to 2304 CUDA cores, 72 Tensor cores, 18 RT cores, and 72 TMUs and 32 ROPS. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.